Take a ride in the 2019 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7 and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.